Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever heard the terms county court and district court and wondered what the difference is? It's a common point of confusion, partly because the names can change from state to state, but today we're breaking down the fundamental distinction, and it all comes down to one key concept: state versus federal power. The single most important thing to remember is this: county courts are part of the state court system, while U.S. district courts are part of the federal court system. They operate in two separate, parallel legal universes. Your local county court is where the vast majority of legal cases happen, handling the everyday issues that affect most people. We're talking about things like traffic tickets, DUIs, and minor criminal offenses called misdemeanors. They also handle family law, so divorces, child custody battles, and adoptions happen here. If someone passes away, their will is processed in a state probate court, often at the county level. Small claims court, where you sue someone for a small amount of money, is also part of this system. Essentially, if you break a state law, from shoplifting to having a contract dispute with your neighbor, you'll end up in a state court, which is often called a county court. U.S. district courts, on the other hand, have a much more specific job. They only hear cases involving federal laws. This includes serious federal crimes like drug trafficking across state lines, tax fraud, counterfeiting money, or immigration violations. They also handle lawsuits where the United States government is one of the parties in all bankruptcy cases, which are exclusively federal. Finally, they can hear major civil lawsuits between citizens of different states, but only if the amount of money in dispute is more than $75,000. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Some states don't call their main trial courts county courts. They might call them superior courts, circuit courts, or even district courts. This is the source of the confusion. So how do you tell the difference? Always look for the magic words, United States or US. If it's the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois, you know it's federal. If it's just the District Court of Denver County, it's a state court. The key is to identify whether it's a court of a state or a court of the United States. So, to recap, county courts handle state laws, while U.S. district courts handle federal laws. One system manages the rules for your state, and the other manages the rules for the whole country. I hope that clears up the difference between county and district courts. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget